Have you noticed Bitcoin making headlines again? After weeks of uncertainty, Bitcoin has started moving higher once more, and many investors are asking the same question. Is this the beginning of another bull run? Or just a temporary bounce? The answer isn't as simple as price goes up. One of the biggest reasons is something called Spot Bitcoin ETFs. Think of an ETF as a simple way for investors to buy Bitcoin through the stock market without actually holding the cryptocurrency themselves. When more money flows into these ETFs, fund managers often need to buy more Bitcoin, increasing demand. Recently, Bitcoin ETFs saw renewed inflows after a period of outflows, helping improve market sentiment. The Economic Times. But that's not the whole story. Investors are also watching interest rates, inflation, and the US economy. When people expect financial conditions to become more favorable, risk assets like Bitcoin often receive more attention. At the same time, many long-term Bitcoin holders continue holding instead of selling, which can reduce the available supply in the market. Market analysts are also watching upcoming Federal Reserve updates because they can influence investor sentiment. However, don't assume this means Bitcoin can only go higher. Crypto remains one of the most volatile investments in the world. Prices can rise quickly, but they can also fall just as fast. That's why successful investors don't chase hype. They first understand why the market is moving. The biggest lesson? Don't just watch the price. Watch the money flowing into the market, the economic news, and the long-term trend. Because informed investors make better decisions than emotional investors. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join DollarVest for more videos that make investing easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.